I'm going to be looking at writing practices, specifically those where you need to be consistent or inconsistent. You want to effectively demonstrate that you not only know what it is that you're talking about, but that you know what you're doing as a writer as well. To do so successfully, you need to adopt writing practices that signal to the reader that you are a confident and skilled writer. To demonstrate this, there are elements of your writing where you need to remain consistent in your approach. Then there are elements of your writing where you want to avoid repetition and keep changing your approach so that your text won't feel monotonous and bogged down. I'm going to be giving you 4 tips on writing practices where you need to remain consistent. And in the next episode, 4 tips on writing practices where you need to be inconsistent if you want to produce a well-crafted, competent piece of work. Your writing will feel cohesive, streamlined, and assured as a result.